The festival has a privileges. It's a good ground to present new talents. Actually, it's for young filmmakers. All festivals is a good place and a good opportunity to bring them here and make connection with them with the audience and the new generation of filmmakers. And I was so pleased to see that there was a lot of young filmmakers from Kurdistan, and I was very happy about that. I saw some few, not all of the programs, and there was a lot of progress. It seems that they know they're professional, and there's a lot of professionalism. And the only thing is that there is absence of good scripts. Still, we are looking for good scripts. I was a little bit surprised I was disappointed a little bit about the World Cinema Program. There was mostly very, of course there were also debut film and second film of the directors, it's understandable, but still we are looking for something unusual. Probably we need a storytelling. There is absence of characters, strong characters. There is absence of drama. Mostly they are paying more attention on form and technique than the story. But as I said, we are storytellers. Cinema is a story. All text, it's just serve to present the story.